Ka showroom kali batmai jangka Tata Motors Keladon haga jela mentah. Wan saka Frank Motors like goringi Shillong.
Usenbot Menteri Rang Ba Kejela ubah Presiden Tensong ulakan tait bagan don kanu kejing tokit halo kejing keno torti bat bamsap hakabaidai par kejing tei ya ke Interstate Bus Terminus ne ISBT kabla penpau pai ba dau slap namar hadin kejing jur trong slap layu i ba ya ke tei kejing tei ne ke building kala or pai bat jau haba kali mentang sngi ubah Presiden ulong maka sorkar kan wat nya i kidau Henry kejing tokit kanum don ban akalang katnat PWD building kan ha ban pinbai e kijing duna dakaba sna pat maramat bha ya kate kijing tai ula pynksan yu contractor ba pentrai ka ISBT ba amla ban le AA namar ha ka por batei ya kate kijing tai katne ka building la don lang ru ki engineer bat USDO bat ula ong shushu ba ya ki bill ni kijing siu la pendap hadin balai bishar nya ya ka kam de ki officer bat ki engineer bat la da hab ban pynshitom dei ban pynshitom ya ki ophisar sorkar.
Well, I think that you see, allegation can be made yesterday or today or tomorrow, whatever. But we have to go deep down in this issue. So because see, this work is being implemented by PUD building. So PUD building has to take care of all this issue. And as I said to you, because see, the system is what? The engineers and then the STOs, the junior engineers are always there to supervise the implementation, the execution of all the construction work. So therefore, the system is, as I said to you, is already in place. So maybe we will find out what is happening, and then I think if need be, immediate rectification needs to be done. I think no need to talk about inquiry. We talk about how to improve it, or if need be, repair it, or need be, reconstruct it. That's it. See, that's what, the general opinion of people is so easy. Blaming only the contractor. I told you the system in the government. We already have the system in place. What is the system? Be it executive engineer. Because see, who prepare bill? The bill has to be prepared by the SDO, by the GE, according to the satisfaction seen on the ground. Then they prepare the bill and then release the bill to the concerned contractors. Not only ISBT, the entire project in the state of India. So therefore, if any mistake, I think number one is officer who's looking after this. I think they need to be punished also, because quality. See, we are all layman. How do we know? I'm not a technical expert. That's why we kept them to supervise the work. So that is important. I think the question of safety right now, it is good, but the leakage, I've seen it also. The leakages is so much. So just because of the leakages is there, is it not safe? It is safe. But what I'm trying to tell you, wherever need be to be done, they need to do it. So we have already asked the engineer concerned. We have already asked all the STUs, the technical wing, who has been there till the completion of the project. So they are the ones to do things.